Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle, there lived a very mischievous monkey. He was known to play tricks on the other animals. One day, the monkey was swinging from tree to tree when he saw a group of deer grazing in a clearing. The monkey wanted to have some fun, so he started making funny faces at them. The deer got scared and started running away. The monkey was enjoying himself by teasing them until one wise old deer stopped and turned around. "Why are you doing this, little monkey?" asked the deer. "We were just eating and minding our own business." On it was a small drawing of a deer. "Do you see that?" asked the monkey. "It's a painting of you," said the deer, looking at the drawing. "Oh, it's not very good," said the monkey, pretending to be critical. "I can do better," he said, and started painting another deer on the rock. This time, he made the deer bigger and more detailed than the first one. The deer were impressed. "That's really good," they said. "Can we keep it?" asked the wise old deer. "Of course," said the monkey. "I'll even add another one," he said, and painted a third deer. The deer were overjoyed. They thanked the monkey for the lovely painting and went back to their grazing. The monkey replied, "I was just playing. I'm sorry if I scared you." The deer said, "Well, it's not funny to make faces and scare people who are minding their own business. How would you feel if someone did that to you?" The monkey thought for a moment. "I guess I wouldn't like it," he said. Just then, an idea struck him. "I have something that will cheer you up," he said to the deer. "What's that?" asked the deer, a little suspicious. The monkey ran off into the trees, and the deer, curious, followed him. The monkey led the deer to a rock that had a flat surface. The monkey watched them go and smiled. He realized that making the deer happy made him feel good too. From that day on, whenever the monkey felt like playing a trick, he remembered the painting and how happy it made him and the deer. So instead of playing mean tricks, he played fun ones that made everyone laugh and feel good. And that's why, my dear children, it's important to be kind and thoughtful towards others, because kindness makes not only the receiver, but also the giver feel good. Now, go on, you little goers. It's time for you to go and be kind and helpful to others. And remember, just like the monkey, you'll feel good too.